How to return and refund on Cnfans. To initiate a return and request a refund on Cnfans, simply follow these steps. First of all, you will need to determine eligibility for return. 5 days return or exchange guarantee. Cnfans offers a 5 days return or exchange service. This period starts from the date the product is stored in the warehouse, allowing you to request a return or exchange within 5 days. Also, you'll have to make sure that the product is in resellable condition, including all original packaging, labels, and accessories. Some items are not eligible for return or exchange. Also, you'll get to find those items below in the return and refund policies. Now, in order to submit a return exchange request, submit a request within 5 days. All you have to do is log into your Cnfans account and navigate to your order history and select the order containing the item and follow the prompts to submit your request. If you encounter any issues or have questions regarding the return and refund process, reach out to Cnfans customer support for assistance. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.